Okay. So again, I welcome you all and very good evening, guys, and thank you so much for coming. So, guys, today we are going to understand the basic understanding of price action. Okay. So now, again, now we know the how exactly data is driven, how to find data, where to find data, right, everyone? Do you guys have any question from that particular segment? How to find data, where to find data, guys? Kindly please answer my question quickly. Hello.
No doubt, sir.
No doubt, right? What about others, guys? The people who are not able to, like, the people who are uncomfortable to come on mic, they can let me know their inputs on chat. Please, it is my request. All of you. Okay. Perfect. 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 So let's start now, guys. So understand, if I want to, if I want to see how exactly my asset is performing, like how I will identify where exactly price is going to go. So for that, what I need to understand is the very first thing we need to focus on supply and demand. Everyone. So this supply and demand concept will help us to understand how exactly we need to plan our position for trading and investing. Okay, I hope all of us know about this concept, right? All of us have learned in school. Everyone, kindly please answer my question.
Yes, sir.
Hmm? Okay, perfect. So now in supply, what happens? Price comes down. Okay, in supply, price comes down. Price comes down. And in demand, what happens? Price will go up. So here, in order to understand this here, we'll take reference of our two candlesticks. Okay.
Is it
So
necessary that under supply price will always go down and under demand price will always go up?
yes, sir. Yes, sir. If I want to give you one simple example, sir, uh, normally when there's a summer season, can you please tell me which sectors will outperform?
Ice
Mainly
cream.
cooling sectors
Like, yes, continue, guys.
like AC, those who are making an AC, either
Right, the companies, those who are making AC, refrigerator, coolers, fans, apart from the textile companies, right? So normally what happens if demand is increased, okay, and supply is less, what will happen? The price will increase, right, sir? So if you
okay.
go and buy our AC, 1 ton AC, during the rainy season and winter season, okay, like even if you bargain, they will give you at whatever price you are quoting, right, sir? Sir, are you
Yeah,
with me? But
yeah,
same thing, if you go and do during summer season, they will not even entertain you, sir. They will not
yeah.
even like come up 1 rupee down. Are you getting my point?
Yeah, I
I
got
hope.
it, but it's clearly written, like less demand than less. If the demand is high, definitely price will go up. But if demand is low, then price will go down also.
Right, sir. That is vice and versa. I'll tell you, sir. For example, there's a stock. Okay. Whenever the prices are increasing in a stock, why? Because that stock has a demand right now. That's the
Okay.
reason price is increasing. Okay. Now, if there's a supply in that particular stock, why it is? Because the price is coming down. You got my point?
No, I didn't get.
You didn't get. Okay, I'll explain you, sir. So here, volume comes into picture. Okay,
Okay.
I'll show you. Every stock comes up with a volume. How we calculate volume? So here we have like XYZ industry. Okay, now here we have seller and here we have buyer. Okay, now understand this, sir. In we calculate stock in volume. So now this guy is selling and this guy is buying. This will create one volume. This will
Okay.
create one volume. Okay, and now, for example, if we look at today XY industry got maximum buying volume. Today XYZ industry got maximum buying volume because of which price will go up. And why price will go up? Because the volume was high. And there can be multiple reasons. Like if there is like a good returns company has shared, if company has shared like good earning reports, if company has shown a good profit. Let's talk about Reliance, guys. I'll show you on screen properly. So we'll able to see outcome of this on Monday market. Where is my Google? Yeah. Reliance earning. So can you see this, sir? Reliance
Yeah.
Industry quarter one result live, quarter one profit source 78% year on year. Now you guys, now please try to understand this news will create demand in that stock. This news will attract more buyers. Now buyers will come and buy the stock. Because buyers are buying that stock, the price will be keep increasing. It shows that there's a demand. Now you got my point, sir?
Is it necessary? Because I think few days back, Zomato and some other companies has result has been came out,
Mhm.
and their stock was on the next days. Just suppose today after 2:30 something around, their result has been came out, and on the
Mhm.
next morning their stocks has been fall down.
But sir, try to
No,
understand if entire market is falling, okay, if entire market is falling,
no,
then this
on that the
all
entire
things will
market was
become
not fall
useless.
down.
Hmm. Now I will tell you one thing, sir. You know about Ola Electric, sir?
Yeah.
Okay. So recently, Ola Electric price surged almost like 14%, 17% in one single day. Even company showed up bad results, still that prices went up. Any guesses why, sir?
No, I don't know. I don't have idea. That's
Okay,
why. That's
I'll tell
why.
you, sir, why.
Yeah.
Because when we saw the earning report, already company is at like 50% in loss right now. Year on year, if we compare, company is in 50% loss. Plus, Ola has sold less in Ola electric scooty. Okay, so what happens now? They are reducing this like generation one and generation two Ola scooters. Warranties are going to get expired if you're aware. Okay, in next 1 year the warranties will be expired. So because of that, what are happening, that whatever warranty cost were there, now that is getting limited. Okay, so that is getting decreased, and now generation 3 scooters are like performing very well right now. Apart from that, they laid off many employees, like almost they got 10 crores benefit from there also because of layoff. And apart from that, they got another 636 crore profit also by reducing the other miscellaneous charges. And now all this we came to know after reading the balance sheet of the company, that this was the reason behind that Ola prices went up. So again, sir, whenever this prices, like whenever earning reports are coming out, whenever any fundamental news is coming out, now we need to check that properly why exactly that things are getting performed. So even like I gave you two examples, Reliance fundamentals are good, okay, and Reliance gave a very good profit return in the first quarter, almost 78%. Because of that, the prices will go up. At same other side, Ola fundamentals are not good. Even after updating bad con call reports, earning reports, still price went up by almost 14% to 17%, sir. So it depends on company fundamentals and technical parts, sir.
Okay.
So after reading that only, sir, buyers will show interest in that particular company.
Okay.
I hope now you got your answer, sir.
You got it.
Hmm? So
Yeah.
you can
Yeah.
ask me questions n number of time. I'm okay to answer your questions. So please be rest assured, sir. Don't even feel for 1 second that I'm asking multiple questions. You can ask me as number the questions you want. Okay. Please be
Yes.
rest
Yes.
assured.
Yeah.
Okay, everyone, shall we move further now? I hope all of us are able to understand like things what I'm saying, right? All of you. Please unmute yourself and answer my question.
Yes, sir.
Praveen?
Yes, sir. Is it like,
Yes,
sir, is it
Praveen.
like demand, as the demand grows, the supply will, like, increase? Is it like that?
Look, I'll tell you one thing. It's a very simple example. Uh, from what state are you
Yes.
from, Praveen?
Bangalore, sir.
You are from Bangalore,
Karnataka.
Karnataka. Okay. So,
Yes.
Praveen, like you will see in summer season, like if there is a rain, okay, if there's a rain is coming there, so normally the price of onion,
Yes.
for example, the price of onion is 30 rupees.
Hmm.
Okay. And now after that rain part, the price of onion will shoot up from
Yes.
30 to 60 rupees. And
Yes.
again, if it rains again, the price of onion will go up by another 100 rupees up. So for example, what we are looking over here is due to supply is less and demand is high. That's the reason prices are increasing. Okay. And
Okay.
now at one particular time, you will see the people will stop using that onion. People will stop using that onion. People will stop consuming that onion. So what will happen again? Demand is still same, means supply is still same, but now demand is decreasing. So what
Yes.
will happen? The now prices are coming down. Like now onion is for again 60 rupees. Why? Because now less people are consuming that onion, because very few people can afford that onion at price stage of 100 rupees. But at
Yes.
60 rupees, again people will see, let the price come down. So now people will again show interest when price is coming at 30 rupees. Now again, when price is coming at 30, you will see
The demand
there will be a
increases.
massive demand of onion.
Yes.
Similarly, same thing happened at stock also in the form of support and resistance. We are going to understand this today. Okay, so please be rest assured. Praveen, I hope you got your answer.
Yes, sir. Yes. Yes.
Okay, okay. Shall we move further now, guys? Hello, everyone. Shall we move further? All of you.
Yeah, please.
Okay. So, guys, now understand this. In order to understand this entire concept, first we'll need to understand the candle part. Okay, so now here I will be drawing two candles. Okay, so this is my candle. I'm really sorry for my drawing this. Okay, now here, this is my red candle and this is my green candle. Okay, now my question is, guys, like, does all of us have same amount of strength and power in the body? Everyone? Praveen, Chandrakant, Akhilia, all of you?
Depends.
Huh? Our everyone's height is different, body structure is different, body size is different, weight is different. Similarly, guys, what candle does? Candle show us the behavior of price. Each and every candle has a different behavior. Okay. Similarly, as a human, we like our behaviors are not matching, our body structures are not matching. Similarly, candlesticks are different, their behaviors are different. So how will I identify that? In order to identify that, I will look at this body part. The rectangle part, that is body part of the candle. This body part shows me the strength of the candle. So basically, what does it show me? Open and close. So if it is a green candle will open here. Okay. And since there's a demand, price will go up. So definitely the close will find at upper side. Similarly, if we look at the red candle, open is here and price is closing down. Why? Because price is coming down. So here we have our close. Okay. So open and close will define price behavior and candle strength. Okay. And there is another two part. We have another two parts of candle, guys. The sticks. The sticks work as a history. What they show me? They show me till where exactly price went high, till where exactly price went low. So this people show me high and low, high and low. Everyone, this part is known as a wick. Wick shows the high and low price of candle. Everyone, is it clear to all of you till here? Kindly please reply my question in chat box quickly. Yes or no? Quickly type 1 or 2. Guys, if you don't understand, you can ask me question again. I am saying this is a very important part. Please.
Ma'am, can I ask one doubt?
Yes, ma'am, you can.
Ma'am, in the red, where you have color red, you have saying like open is in the top and the close is in the bottom. Yeah, but in the green, the open is in bottom and the close is in top. How do you say that, ma'am? Can I
Okay.
know that?
Can you now you will help me to solve this problem, ma'am. So now understand this, ma'am. This is the price opening over here. Okay. This is my open point of candle. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, okay.
This is my open.
Hmm.
So now my candle went from open to this particular area till here.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yet my candle is not closed. Okay. So now from
Okay.
here, my candle is coming again here.
Okay.
Now again, my candle is going up like this. Okay.
Okay.
Now
Okay.
again, my candle is coming here. Now you answer my question, ma'am. When my candle opened here, when price was going up like this, what was the color when price was going up?
Green.
Green. Okay, perfect. Now, again, when candle was going up, the color was green. Now, again, when price started coming down, for exactly, like from, if I write a number, proper number over here, let's take it 60. The price opened at 60. But now,
Yes, ma'am.
the price came down below 60. Now, price
Yeah.
came down below 60. Now, what with the
Okay.
color?
Red.
Red, right? Because now
Yes.
here we have a price of 30. Like something which closes below 60, that will be red. Okay, yet candle is not
Okay.
closed. Yes, we don't have final decision. Okay, now see this. Now, again, the price will go up like this. Again, it's a green. And now again, it will come down here. And if it
Right.
closes here, it will be like, let's assume it closes at 40. Okay, and it went high till 100. So now we'll try to form a candle over here. Okay, ma'am?
Okay. Okay.
The very first thing, I'll create a body. So
Okay.
this candle opened over here. Okay. And
Yes.
closed at 40. Okay. So this is my low. Low is at 30 and high
Okay.
is at 100.
100.
Okay. So now this is my open. This is my close.
Close.
This is my low and this is my high. Is that clear to
Okay,
you
ma'am.
now?
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I got it now.
Everyone? Is it clear to all of you now? Guys, please answer to my question quickly. Chandrakant sir, Praveen.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
great. Okay, okay.
Thank
okay.
you, ma'am.
It's okay, it's okay. So now let's understand this. On chart, you have 4 types of data. On chart, you have 4 types of data. You open any chart, any stock, any index, any underlying asset, any derivative asset, you can open any chart. Look at the left top corner. Look at the left top corner. You will see we have open, high, low, and close. Can you see that, all of you?
Yeah.
Everyone? Okay. So calculation is very simple. If price is getting closed above the open value, it is going to be green. If price is getting closed below open value, it is going to be red. So while candle is opening, it's a neutral. But while closing, if it is up, then it's a green. If it is down, then it's red. Very simple calculation. I hope now this candle part is clear to all of you, right? Everyone?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
now look at this chart, guys. Everyone, now look at this chart. Now, every candle here we have with a different size. Okay, every candle we have with a different size. Now, your question will be that, Mehul, now we understood that what is candlestick, how the price is working and everything. But how we will be identifying from where exactly price is going to go up, that means demand, from where exactly price is going to come down, that is supply. Now that question we have, right? Everyone, please type yes or no in the chat box quickly. We have this question, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So guys, for this, we need to understand the concept of support and resistance. Support and resistance. To make this very simple, support plays a demand role and resistance plays a supply role. Okay. Now understand, guys, in last lecture, what we saw was the bigger data we use. Okay. The big data we use to identify what? Everyone. We use big data of chart to identify what? Can I get
Trend.
the answer? Trend.
Trends.
Okay. Trend. And the same thing in smaller time frame, what we try to identify? Everyone?
Swing.
Swing.
Swing. So again, in trend, we have two things, uptrend and downtrend. Similarly, in swing also, we have two things, upper swing and lower swing. So similarly, when price is going up, that is upper swing. And when price is coming down, that is lower swing. Guys, I hope that even your dots are getting connected on in your notes, right? Properly. Everyone. Hello.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
perfect. Now I need one volunteer, guys, who will come and talk to me and help me to make these things understand. Because look, volunteer from your side will talk with your mindset. That's the reason.
Okay.
Chandrakant sir, you will help me?
Yes, sure.
Okay, perfect. Chandrakant sir, assume this. This is your one small drawing, and I'm really sorry for this bad drawing, sir.
It's
Please
okay.
forgive me. Okay. Sir, you have this ball in your hand, okay?
Okay.
Now, if you throw the ball, for example, you are throwing the ball will go like this, right?
Yeah.
And at one particular level, you will see the ball is experiencing resistance, right?
Yeah.
And after that, what will happen? Ball will start
Will come
coming
down.
down, okay? And ball will take support on the land, okay? Right?
Okay.
This is what will happen. Again,
Yeah.
you will pick up this ball. Again, you will throw this ball. Again, ball will go up. Again, ball will experience resistance. And after that, price will again come down, right? The ball will again come
Yeah.
down. This is what we call support and resistance, sir. There is no psychology, no science behind this. I will now explain same thing in form of chart. Sorry, guys. Now, when price is when price starts going up, here you will see the price is forming candles, okay? But you will
Yeah.
see at one particular point that price will be in saturation phase. Like here, price will do little bit time pass, price will be become sideways over here, and all of a sudden the price will start coming down. Now, in starting, Chandrakant sir asked me one question. Is it mandatory that during demand price should always go up? Now let's assume this over here, there was a green candle, demand candle, but still price didn't go up. Now here guys, on that time I explained one volume concept. Now understand this volume part. Okay. If there's a more volume, plus even price is going up, that means a strong green candle. Okay.
But how we will know about volume? Where we will find it?
I'm coming on that point, sir. I will show each and everything with a proper logic. Don't worry, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Green candle. That means buyers are interested, okay, in the stock. Okay. Buyers are more interested. Similarly, again, less volume plus price is not increasing, guys. Price is not increasing. What this shows? Green candle with small strength.
Sorry.
That means buyers are not interested in this price point. Like very few buyers are interested, not maximum buyers are interested. Why? Because buyer entered at this point, buyer entered at this point, buyer entered at this point, buyer entered at this particular point. Now, definitely all these people are looking for the exit, right? All of you. Are you guys getting my point? Hello, everyone. Chandrakant sir?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
Huh? So now
Yes.
these people are looking for the exit point. So now what these people are thinking, let's see if price is going more up. So here what will happen? There will be a green candle, but that green candles will come with a very small strength, very less strength, with a small body. And after that, you will see red candles will start coming up over here. That means the now price is coming down. The people who were buyer, now they are converted themselves into the seller. Now price is coming down. And again, you will see the price has come to the same point. Price has come to the same point. Now, again, at this particular point, like I gave example of onion to the Praveen. When price went to the 100, people were not interested. So what happened? Price started coming down because there was very less demand. Okay, there was saturation. Now, again, price came at 60. Now, again, price came at 60 over here. 60, 100, 60. So now here there's a very high chance again, the new volume built up will come over here and that will give strength and the price behavior will go up. How we can identify this? Let's come to the chart. But basically support and resistance part is clear to all of you, right? By looking at this diagram, everyone, Chandrakant sir?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's
Yes.
come to the chart. I'm looking to the Chandrakant sir, can you help me with any stock name from this list? Any stock of your choice.
We'll open ITC.
ITC. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, chart. Perfect. Now, sir, I'm applying this one indicator. Okay, that's a volume part. Okay, volume applied. Guys, again, understand, if you don't know how to use volume, it's still okay. There's another way to identify this. If I look at the past data, just see this area particularly. Sir, you got my point? What data I'm talking right now over here? I'm just looking this past. I'm looking at the data from the June area. Just see this. The June month experienced support at 428. And if you look at the support resistance at 428, and if you look at this area, the resistance, so top there's resistance, at bottom there's a support area. If I mark this range, the range of this support is from 412 to 400 between 411. Every time price is trying to go up over here. You see, price took support, again went up at from this level. And already, if you see this big volume candle at below, sir, can you see that?
Yeah.
Hmm?
Yeah.
So
I'm
this
seeing.
shows the volume, but again, almost on that particular day, 1 second. Right now, I need to shift my
But
chart, guys. Yes.
I have one doubt. But just suppose if you see this big volume,
Hmm.
that was I think on 16th. Sorry, 7. Whatever the dates. Okay.
Hmm.
And the green candle is showing, right?
Right. Right.
So it is showing very big volume as well as green candle, but on the next day it is very less volume on red candles.
So price is getting saturated at that particular point. If you see the previous past data also, price gave a breakout from this same particular level. If you see this area, which I'm marking over here, this was the breakout point. If I look at the previous data also, this price area 412 and 413 is playing very major role, sir. See this. Previously, this area was working as a resistance. If you look at the March data and April data, price came down, again price went up at this particular location. 1 second. Let me get my highlight. But if you look at this particular location, sir, the
Mhm.
price was experiencing resistance.
Yeah.
Okay. And after that, what happened? We got a breakout over here. We got breakout at the resistance and price went up. Price went up till where? Till here at 4,444. And if you again look at the past data, only past data can help us to understand from where exactly there's a resistance and where exactly there is a support. Similarly, if you see, I'm just marking the same areas again and again. If you look at this area is playing a very important support zone. So can you see this?
No, I am
Again,
talking about June month data. You are explaining on my month.
no, I understand, sir. You are talking about this particular area, right now.
Yeah.
This particular area.
Yes.
If I'm not wrong, right, sir?
Yeah.
So, sir, over
Yeah.
here, if you see on this particular day, the volume is 431.852 million, sir. Look at the left on top corner, sir. And that was a support area also, sir, if you see. Forget
Yeah.
about next day right now. That was a consolidation part.
Okay.
Right now, we are talking about a price structure, like how exactly price is taking support at that one particular same area. Like for example, if the support area is 400, you will see maximum time between 405, 400 or 399. In between that area only, you will see price correction, then price will go up. Like as I explained in my previous example, sir, at one particular price time, buyers will be again interested to enter. And so number one thing, do you think like this type of volume we as a retailer can create?
No, retailer cannot create that. I understood.
Okay, so let's try to find out this. Why the price went up recently? Guys, am I audible? Everyone?
Yeah. Yeah, audible.
Okay, sir, if you see, ITC reported 54% year-on-year rise in Q1 profit at rupees 134 crore, 16% revenue growth to rupees 816 CR. This news was in the month of 18th. 1 second. This news came out on quarter ended at 30 June. And we are looking at the data over here.
That was Q1 result, ma'am, sir. I think
No,
so
no.
that comes after June. I think in comes on month of July, the result, Q1 result came out.
No, what I meant to say is that there must be something. That's the reason price went up. Because again, if we look at the chart, the price is at support area. Are you getting my point, sir? What I'm trying to say? Chandrakant,
Yes.
sir.
Yeah, trying to understood.
The price is at the support point. That is what, sir, in chart, you will get two, like in normal in stocks, you will get two types of breakout. One can be fundamental breakout and one can be technical breakout. So as I said, sir, if again price is coming at the same particular point again and again, you will see there will be a bounce back, sir.
Okay.
Not only this particular stock, so you can select any other stock also. I'm okay with that. You can select any other stock. And
Okay,
again, I will
open.
help you to,
Yeah,
sorry,
Tata Steel you can open. Do you have Tata
Tata,
Steel?
Tata
Yeah.
Steel. Okay, 1 second. Yeah, here we have Tata Steel.
Okay.
Now again, sir, if you look at the Tata Steel also over here, look at this particular area, sir.
Which one can you please mark?
I'm marking it, sir. How many times it took support at this particular area, sir?
Two times.
Almost 3 times. Here, number 1. After that, one red candle. Number 2. After that, again green candle. Number 3. Can you see that, sir?
Okay.
Similarly, same situation we have over here also, sir. These are the bases where exactly price are taking support, sir.
Actually, I
Now,
wanted to understand
Hmm.
support like with volume. I wanted to understand because how volumes playing roles, the price will go up.
so now my question to you is, whatever things will be change. 1 second, Mama, jara gate na tha, please. Hat achi bandhan jo, please. I'm sorry, guys. So whatever changes will happen in stock, where exactly first changes you will see on the volume or at the price chart? What is real time?
That will be price chart.
On the price chart is the real volume. We will be able to understand at the end of the day, sir. So as I said in this over here, that
Yeah,
we need to check the volume.
that's my point because volume, even the price chart, because we don't know what will be going to be happen on the next chart as well.
So in
Okay.
that case, only stop loss can help you then. No one can tell you what will happen next. The only thing here we have is the reference of old price data, sir.
Okay.
Yes, the only reference we have, the old price data. And apart from that, why we look at the volume? To understand the how many quantities of shares are getting exchanged that particular day.
Okay.
Yeah. Again, if there's a liquidity, then only there will be a price movement. Are you getting my point, sir? If there is no liquidity, then whatever it will happen, there will be no movement in price.
Yeah. Because sometimes I see that volume we have an volume, but there is no changes in the prices. Either
Now,
prices will fall within 1 or 2 points only.
right. Now understand, sir, this particular area also. Even this particular area is playing as a stronger support role. Can you see this, sir?
Yeah.
And again, when price came to this particular area, if you see, there's a very big volume, sir, at the same level, if you see.
Hmm.
But at similar point, again, if you see, there are very big red candles, but the volume is very small, sir. Can you see that?
Yeah.
So
Yes.
what I'm trying to explain is, sir, if volume is high, even if there's a small candle now, you will see a significant change in price in that particular day, sir. And
Hmm.
again, when the price is coming down with a very big red candle, but still there's a no volume, that means sellers are not interested right now.
Hmm.
You got my point, sir?
Yeah.
Everyone, hello?
Yes, sir.
Guys, everyone understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Guys, now look further chart also. Chandrakant, sir, if you
Yeah.
look further over here, I am marking few areas again.
Okay.
I am marking few areas again. You just help me to understand the volume of this red candle. This red candle is very big, right? Compared to the green candle. But do you
Yes.
see that? But if you look at this volume, the volume is very less, sir. Can you see that? Just look at the below red candle.
Which one?
The candle which I highlighted, sir. This one.
This candle is having sufficient red volume.
Sir, if you look properly, sir, look at the candle strength and look at the volume, sir. Look at this green candle. Look at this green candle and look at this volume, sir.
Okay, yeah, then it's
Now you will
77.
understood. Now you will understood what I'm trying to explain, sir. Again,
Yes.
if you see, there's a red candle over here and look at the volume, sir, again. Means whenever price is going up, if there is a less volume, the price will not go up. Whenever price is coming down, but there is no volume, the price will not come down. You got my point, sir?
Yeah.
But again, all this volume part will get settled at the end of the day, sir. Main focus should be on the real-time chart only.
Okay.
I hope you got my point, sir.
Yeah.
Guys, again, I'm saying, please don't go with the question mark. Ask me as much as questions, guys. If you guys want me to go for another chart, we can go for another chart also. Chandrakant, sir, can we go for one more chart, please? Is that okay for you?
Can we come to option charts?
Option charts. So volume part will not come into option chart. In option, OI part will come.
Yeah.
Open interest part will come. So
Yeah,
once we come to the open interest part, I will definitely come to that part
no,
also. So please be
because
rest assured.
why, sir, why I'm asking all this now? Because the thing is that from the last 2 days, okay,
Hmm.
the coordinator wants, I don't know, this is happening with same people, another guys are not. Okay, but this
Hmm.
is happening with me from last 2 days. Who is my coordinator? He is trying to ask me, okay, sir, come down. I will show you on real market. We'll do some practical aspects.
No,
And
I'll tell you, sir, what are they trying to teach you? I'll come on that point. They are trying
no,
to teach
because
you the
yeah, because
order.
I wanted to understand first because see, and yesterday I asked these questions to him as well because he was saying to me, we are going to you well versed with the application. So I asked them, is this your objective to inform us how the application works? So they said no. Clearly they said no. Okay, then because they were saying me, okay, tomorrow I will show you, we'll do some practical aspects. I will ask you, tell you
Yes,
how we
sir,
will do.
practical aspect. Why I will tell you, sir. Right now, whatever things I am teaching you right now, but I cannot teach you guys order placing, right, sir?
No, that's fine,
Oh,
but I
huh.
think
So they
because after
wanted to
because
teach you. They
no, that's
wanted to
fine,
teach.
sir. That's fine. My question is that once the course will be on completion stage, because at that time moment of time we will be prepared to take any risk on the market, right? Within a two
Right,
days
sir.
of classes, I am not prepared. Even I
Right,
don't think
right, right.
so. I think so. Rest of the peoples are also not prepared within a 2 or 3 days of classes.
No, no,
And I
I
think
completely understand, sir.
this is our third day of classes. So why our coordinator wants unnecessary to put us on the risk?
No, no, sir, try to understand this. Both are totally different aspects. They are just teaching you order placing. Order placing is altogether different part. Like right now, we are learning all the theory part. Order
Yeah, that's
placing, they will
that's
teach you
because
how to.
yeah, that's yesterday I already told him कि you are going to
Hmm,
teach us how to do order placing, how to put stop losses and
hmm.
everything.
Right.
Okay. And that will be maybe the possibilities they will tell us, okay, put the stop loss here, do this here, like
No,
that they
no,
will
they
tell.
will be actually guiding you with the proper application interface, with
Yeah,
the OI
that's yeah,
interface and everything, sir.
that is what I'm saying. If
Hmm,
they are trying to guide us, right?
hmm,
But
hmm.
we are not aware about it, how to get the what, where I have to put the stop losses, where I have to find out the targets. I'm not aware about it,
No,
frankly saying.
order placing, no, no, I'm telling you, sir, order placing psychology is altogether different role, sir. Okay, there is
No,
nothing to do now.
sir,
Try to under.
sir,
I will come
my
up with a
my
proper
point
example.
is that unless and until I'm not prepared to jump in the market in a practical session, either it
Hmm.
doesn't matter it's putting in a stop losses, either it doesn't matter it's
No,
order
no,
placing,
sir,
whatever
sir, I'll
everything,
come on
because
that point.
on all
Understand,
those
sir.
part my money will be involved. Huh?
Chandrakant, sir, I'm coming on that part. I'm coming
Okay.
on that part. See this here. For example, here we are doing access like analysis on sector part and everything. If they
Hmm.
don't know how to place order, if they don't know, because I am not going to teach that part. 1 second, my screen is not there actually. Let me start the screen sharing again. 1 second, sir. 1 second. So my screen is visible to you now?
Yes, it's visible.
Okay. Now, sir, please try to understand this. Whatever like practical things, like technical things I'm sharing over here with my this buddies. Okay. If they are not aware about how to place the order. Forget about technical, like they know technical part, they know fundamental part, everything. But if they don't know how to place order, like whenever if anyone is sharing analysis, sir, eventually they will end up in losses. Why? Because they will be not aware that what point of order they need to place over their particular area. So order placing part, practical part, it is altogether different parts, sir. And here the things which they are showing you, they will be helping you to understand like how to place and stop loss order and why exactly stop loss order is placed. What's the logic behind that?
That's my point, sir. Once I will learn about it, how to place a stop loss, how I can put where I have to put my orders. Okay, then it will be good to know where we have to
Sir,
will
again,
come.
I'm saying that is completely your call, sir. I am not
No,
in my
but
like
but
equity,
that's why I'm
Pathshala.
complaining to you, sir. Because from last 2 days, my coordinator is extremely forcing me.
Mhm. So
Okay.
again, I'm saying, sir, like my job is to
But
help
you,
you guys with the proper
but
fundamental
sir,
and
you,
technical
but you
part,
are
sir.
the part of that, na?
Yes, I completely understand, sir. But again, what their psychology is, that is what I'm telling you, sir. What they are saying is that you are taking care of fundamental and technical partner. Will take care of like order psychology, interface part, data part, and that actually. Okay, Chandrakant, sir.
Okay, no issue. I will talk to him on Monday.
Okay, please, sir.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, everyone. Chandrakant, sir, I want you to
Yeah.
take one more stock, please.
Okay, then we'll come to HDFC will come.
Okay, 1 second. HDFC, definitely. Okay. Okay. So now here, so if you look at this particular point,
Yeah.
this area which I'm going to mark right now,
Okay.
my pen. 1 second. Huh? Yeah, this area, sir. Like at this particular point, we got a breakout, sir. If you look at this area, here we got a proper breakout. If you see this,
Where?
the area which I have highlighted, sir, that green candle from where exactly the line is getting started.
But how you decided that it's breakout?
So this was the resistance, no, sir. If you see this, 1 second. You got my point, sir? Now,
But how this resistance draw? Can you show previous candles?
so here, 1 second. Now, is it visible to you properly, sir? If you see over here at this particular area,
Okay.
we have a very good candle, very good green candles, but there's a no volume in that candle, sir. Look
Hmm.
at that particular area, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. And again, at that particular point, we got the rejection in price. 1 second. We got price rejection also because that's a resistance area.
Okay.
Again, let's go more back. Let's go more back in history and we'll try to figure out, is it the same resistance that we saw in previous also? 1 second. Guys, please keep yourself muted. Okay, no, this was the first resistance actually from price took rejection. And again, at this second area, price again came at that particular area. Okay, now sir, look at the first red candle, the very small, tiny red candle, sir. This area and this volume. Can you
Yeah.
see that?
Yes.
Okay, on that particular day, if you see, market opened gap up, but the price straight away came down, sir. If you see, properly. Market opened gap up on that particular day. Market almost opened at 1875, but this HDFC directly came almost at 1815 that on that particular day only, sir.
Okay.
Okay, and look at the volume, sir. There was a strong rejection volume. If you see, candle was red, and even there was a strong volume. This particular candle, sir. You got my point? If you see this candle,
Yeah,
now
candle was red, but volume was too high.
too high because market opened gap up, sir, on that particular day. Market
Yeah.
opened gap up and then again there was a rejection. Now look at this particular candle, sir. Second candle again.
Okay.
It's a red candle, but look at the volume, sir.
Okay. Volume was less.
But there was a good body in the candle, sir. Now look at this particular area, sir. This particular area. This candle and this candle, sir.
Okay.
There was a good amount of volume, green volume. The buyers were interested to take price up, and look what happened next day, sir. Again, there was a big red candle, sir. See, this
Yeah.
candle has a very good strength,
Yeah.
but volume was still very less.
Hmm.
If the volume was high on that particular day, and same this strength, we could have definitely got the breakout at the support. Then definitely the price would have come down like this at this particular area.
Okay.
But there was a strong rejection. You can see that, sir.
Hmm.
You got my point, right?
Yeah, I got
That
it.
what I'm trying to explain, the support and resistance part. Everyone kindly please answer my question. All of you.
Sir, could you explain the body strength and volume strength part?
Okay, definitely.
Yes, sir.
I'm deleting everything. Sir, now look at this. If you look at this particular area, sir, this candle have very small body.
Yes.
Okay. Again, but if we see, there's a very good volume also. On that particular day, if you see, you got the movement of how many points in that particular candle? I'll just draw that over here. Almost 57 points. No, not 57, almost 45 points, sir.
Yes.
How many points? Almost 45 points. But
Yes.
at the end, where did that candle closed? This particular candle opened at 1923 and
Yes.
closed at 1927. But
Yes.
in entire day, that candle gave movement of almost 45 points to the traders. You got my point now?
Yes. Yes.
And also there was a strong volume. But now, if I go to the more smaller time frame, right now we are looking at the daily time frame. If you look at the top left corner, we are looking at the daily time frame. We are on D right now. Can you see that?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, if we come on the most smaller time frame, you will see there will be a very good amount of volatility on that particular day. Why? Because there's a very huge volume. Again, try to understand this, guys. Volume. 1 second, guys. 1 second, guys. I'm getting one call. 1 second.
Sure,
10:37. No, I'm okay. So normally what happens in that one particular day, there are intraday traders, there are option traders, and there are also investors. Now understand, guys, HDFC stock comes with the FNO option.
Sir, your screen is stop sharing.
1 second, yeah. 1 second, guys. One second, guys. I'm sharing my screen again. Okay, guys, my screen is visible now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now here what I'm trying to explain is HDFC stocks is also an FNO stock. You guys remember this, right? We discussed this on day 1 training, if I'm not mistaken, day 1 or day 2 training. I showed you one list. Remember?
Sectorial index.
Right?
Yes.
The stocks,
right.
the indexes and stocks we were discussing. Okay, so now here in one particular HDFC stock, what happens? Even intraday traders are creating volume. Even option traders are creating OI. Okay, and investors are also like creating volume. So that is how things are working. Try to understand. But eventually, guys, understand volume is a second option. Our first option is support and resistance. Because from there only you will be able to understand that whether price is going up or not. Because first price will reflect on chart. You got my point, sir? Volumes are getting settled
Yeah.
at the end of the day.
Yes, yes. So, can we decide like before the market starts at 9? Can we
Yes,
consider
definitely.
the volume also, sir?
Yeah, definitely. You can consider previous day volume. You can consider previous day volume and you can plan definitely, sir.
Okay, okay, sir.
And
Yes.
but again, you need to understand this with the very first thing you will check whether price is at support or resistance. First, you will check that. And
Yeah.
understand, sir, whenever you are entering now, like for example, today you saw that there's a positive price action on the support. Like you saw there's a green candle on the support. Okay.
Yes.
Don't enter on same day. Let the high break of that candle. For example, now if you look at this particular price point, 1 second. Guys, please focus here. Now, this particular area comes up with a proper support. Where's my tool?
Yes.
Now, this particular area comes with a proper support area. Okay. Now, understand this. At this particular area, if you see, there's a very huge volume. Like you came on this particular day over here. Okay. And you saw that price is at support and also there's a good amount of volume. Okay. Next day, once you see there's a high break over here. 1 second. Here you will see this will be your entry point. Okay, and this will be your SL point.
So could you
It's okay.
please
It's
use
okay.
highlighter?
Yeah, I'm using this particular area. Can you see that? The green and red area, sir, which
Yes,
I'm
yes.
drawing.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
now if you see, once you take entry, next day, once the high is crossed of previous candle, and then if you check the area, how much return you got? Let's see. Like I'm talking with the perspective of swing trading, sir. Almost 84 rupees movement. You can see that, right? But
Yes.
as a trader, we will be never able to catch the entire movement. Like maybe we will be taking like 30 points, 40 points max, because we never know what will be the next move of the market. So in such case, what we can do, we can try a trailing stop loss. Okay. We can try trailing stop loss over there like that. Your coordinators will be teaching you this trailing stop loss, like stop loss entry, stop loss exit, limit entry, limit exit, and everything. But I hope now you guys understood this price action part, the support and resistance very clearly, right? All of you, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Chandrakant sir?
Yeah.
Huh? Praveen?
Yes, sir.
Amit? Amit? Okay. Alekia? Sandhya?
Yes, sir.
Altaf? You guys understood these things properly?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So now, here what
Yes,
I'm going to do is, guys, yes, tell me.
No, I said I understood, sir. Thank you.